Welcome to Bodie, a town that rose and fell with the feverish pulse of gold. Here, every building, every silent wall tells a tale of ambition, hardship, and fleeting fortunes. This place, once alive with miners, dreamers, and families, stands today as a testament to a time long gone, but never forgotten. These iron giants once breathed life into Bodie. With every creak and grind, machinery worked tirelessly, extracting ore that filled men's pockets and fueled dreams. Imagine the roar as the headframe brought riches to the surface, a symbol of hope for those who toiled below.
His homes, modest and humble, held families who braved Bodie's harsh winters and scorching summers. Children played in the dirt streets, while mothers kept house, their laughter and voices echoing through the thin walls. For those living here, this wasn't just a mining town. It was home.
The barns of Bodie were as vital as the homes. Here, animals sheltered from the biting winds, and supplies for the long winters were stored. Each board, each nail speaks of resilience in the face of a harsh frontier life.
On Sundays, the townsfolk gathered here, seeking solace and guidance. The creak of pews, the murmur of prayers, and the warmth of fellowship filled this humble space. Faith was a rare comfort, binding Bodie's residents through times of feast and famine.
The Kane and Miller families were Bodie's lifeblood. Their homes, still standing, reflect the ambitions that kept Bodie alive. The red barn with its sturdy beams, sheltered tools and animals, all crucial to surviving Bodie's extremes.
The Boone store buzzed with the hum of commerce. Miners and families alike came here for essentials, from flour and sugar to boots and pickaxes. Each transaction was a reminder that survival in Bodie was a shared endeavor.
In a town as rough as Bodie, life was uncertain, and the morgue was a quiet witness to that truth. Here, lives cut short were laid to rest, awaiting the journey beyond. It was a place of finality, solemn and silent.
Where the streets were wild, the IOOF Hall brought order. This hall was a place of unity, where people sought fraternity and structure. Meanwhile, travelers rested their weary heads at the Deschambault Hotel, a reminder that even in Bodie, hospitality endured.
The hotels of Bodie welcome travelers and dreamers alike, offering shelter from the rugged reality outside. In these walls, tales were told, deals struck, and dreams plotted, each visitor adding to Bodie's ever-growing legend.
These were homes that held secrets and stories. Families here faced the challenges of Bodie with resilience and strength. Each day, a new test in a town as wild as the West itself. Behind these doors were tales of hope, endurance, and sometimes sorrow.
Not every part of Bodie is accessible. Some remnants stand dangerous and fragile, their stories hidden behind closed doors. These silent structures remind us that history can be beautiful yet treacherous, a balance of what is seen and what's left behind.
The bank was Bodie's vault of wealth, where miners stored their hard-earned gold and fortunes were counted and recounted. Though destroyed by fire, its vault remains indestructible, a monument to Bodie's once thriving economy.
Here in the Moyle warehouse, supplies kept Bodie's lifeblood flowing. It was a hub of goods, from tools to foodstuffs, a critical piece of Bodie's survival puzzle. The warehouse was always bustling, stocked for the endless demands of the town.
As we leave Bodie, we take with us a memory of this ghost town frozen in time. The silence here tells stories if you're willing to listen. Bodie is more than abandoned buildings. It's a testament to those who dared to dream, to build, and in the end, to survive. Each step on these streets is a walk through history, and though its people are long gone, their spirit endures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the echoes of Bodie's past. We hope you felt the spirit of this remarkable town and the stories left behind. If you enjoyed walking these ghostly streets with us, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more adventures into history, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the hidden gems of our world.